Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, we are going to see one of the hidden features called on-screen search. So let's learn. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to system management, and here go to system navigation and scroll down. You will find a circle to search option. Just turn on this button. Here that is what you have to do, tap and hold the home screen button. If you are in navigation buttons key, this is home screen button, okay, or bottom bar to search using on screen content. Bottom bar means if you have used gesture navigation, for example, if you have used gesture navigation only, then this is the bottom bar, okay. So what it means, you can just search on screen content by tap and hold this home screen button, okay, that is this home screen navigation button, okay. So let's learn how it works, okay. Suppose I open here the I here just opened this screen, okay, and what you have to do for on screen search, that is long press this, okay, and Google search option will open, and here you have to select the on screen content. Here screen content is this Google, Gmail, these are all the screen content, okay. You can either select full content or some particular content. So here just I select this Gmail icon. So see, that is searched through Google. Now see, this is the search result, and it gives like this is the Gmail app icon, okay. So this icon is searched, okay. Also you can expand the search like this, okay. So I have selected up to 6 apps, okay. So all will be searching. See here, relevant results will be given to you, okay. Suppose if you would like to go to the particular content like text content, yes, that too you can search. I open Gmail and I open this comment, and I long press here. After that I select this, okay. So this text has been selected, and it has been gone to the search, okay. So in this way you can easily use on screen search, on screen content search, okay. So first you have to activate it, okay. You should have activated that search toolbar in the navigation home screen button, okay. So you can easily search anything using this, okay. So this is one of the hidden features most of the iQOO Z9s phone uses, okay. If you don't know this feature, hereafter try to use it and also share it to your friends who are interested in this hidden features, okay. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.